Hello. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to change main board on Feel Good Snacks vending machine. So you're gonna open the door, and then this is where the main board located. It's behind this panel. You're gonna untie these nuts, and then you will access to the main board. So you're gonna remove it like this. Done. And then you remove the cover, and you can see this is all the wires. You're just gonna remove these nuts. You can use your finger, or you can use see, it's easy even if you use your finger to unscrew them. So you can unscrew 1, 2, 3, 4, and you will remove all the plugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you're gonna unplug all of them, as you see. Very easy. Same thing, and it's better to take a picture so you can see where these wires, these cables goes, and then you start unplugging them, and then you remove this this main board and you install another one, and this way you will be replacing it. So let's say unplugged all this. Once you finish, you're just gonna put the cover back. So make sure when you change any wires, make sure the machine is unplugged or turned off. As you can see, the machine is off right now. So once you change all that, you're gonna put back the covers. See, this is the wrong way because you cannot access the main board button. So make sure you install it properly. And you can see the button here. Once you finish, you're just gonna put back these ones like this, and then you will turn the machine back on once you finish, and then you can test it and see everything will be working